All right, what's going on, crew? Hey, we're back, man, and I'm back with another video. Hey guys, today we are outside here in Bristol, Tennessee today, and we're at the first car show that we've been to this year. Of course, you guys see that I'm actually rocking old Royal Salute here. First car show she's up. I'm not sure. Actually, this may be the second car show that I brought old Royal Salute to. I think the last year at the end of the summer we actually was able to go to one, but this is the first one of 2023, guys. So this is a beautiful day out here today. A lot of new cars out here, and we're gonna take us a nice tour. We're gonna get some aerial shots as well with the drone, and we're gonna have a good day today, guys. So let's go ahead and stop talking and let's start walking. Look at this here, man.
Silver dollar. Who collects old money? 1922 silver dollar. 10, 15, down 20.
We'll go down the first row, and then we'll come back up.
$30. You out. I got 25 right here. 30. 25 now. 39, 25. 35. Now 40. 40.
All right, crew, so we're gonna walk down here. They're actually doing an auction right now, but if it gets too loud, I'll probably just do some music over it, so I won't be doing a lot of talking, but we're gonna get as many of these cars as we can. All right.
Got candles.
You guys probably remember this one down at the Pigeon Forge Water Run last year. We actually did a nice little video on this one.
Put it on now, 20 now, 20 now, 20 now, 20, 20 now, 5, 25, 20 now, 5, 20 now, 5 now, 5, 25, 20 now.
Alright guys, so the first we got old road runner up in here, man. So I think this gentleman owns it is Carl Barker. Let's just see here, let's get him some love here. Old Barker there. I tell you what, man, this is a clean road runner, man. $100. Look at him, man. Wow. Beep beep. Old Coyote. How y'all doing? What's going on, buddy? 69. Is this yours? Yes, sir. All right. She's slick, man. I tell you what, it's you do everything yourself? Really?
It's got two of those little motors.
How you doing? And this one here is my buddy's car, Rumbles. And he does a lot of cars around here, around town, a lot of his personal vehicles. And I tell you what, he said he just finished this one up. They took a year to build this one. Let's take a gander at it.
I found this one.
How y'all doing?
I know it, man. I used to come down there looking for used tires for the Audi diesel. I'm doing great. How about you? No, sir. I need small 14-inch tires.
And you guys know who this one is. Now this is old Royal Salute. Old Royal Salute. You guys know this one is dedicated after old Momo. Everybody seems to be enjoying old Royal Salute here, man. She's clean. Of course, you guys know that. First car show, basically 2023, we brought old Royal Salute out. All right. All right, guys, let's go ahead and see if we can find something else. I tell you what, man, there's a lot of vehicles out here today, and it's pretty warm out here too, man. we're having a good time. Hope you guys enjoying all these nice vehicles and stuff. They're still doing an auction back there, so I'm trying to get as much filming in as I can. Right after this, we're gonna do a big aerial shot of all the cars in the parking lot here, and then we're gonna get right back to filming. So let's go ahead and take a look at how I look up high, guys. Hey, I tell you, wasn't that a nice aerial shot, man? So let's go ahead and, you know, we got like a couple more rows to do here. We're gonna go ahead and shoot these last 2 rows, and hey, we're just gonna walk around, man. I may get me a good old hot dog and enjoy the rest of these car show. So let's get back into it.
All right, how much on this? 2 for money, 2 for 1 money. Let's get. Are you serious? I ain't gonna touch that. I ain't gonna touch that.
You guys know normally I go up here and I look all around all these vehicles, but there's just so many vehicles. By the time I do that to every last one of them, this video will be like an hour or something long. So I'm gonna try my best not to go into all of them, but they're so beautiful you want to see everything. This actually got 327. It says 327, but it actually got a 5.3 in it. And that may be an LS1. I'm gonna get up and go.
25.
Cool. Guys, hey, I hope you guys enjoyed all the videos today, and
all for 1 money.
hope you guys enjoyed all the trucks. cruise sedans.
5, 10.
We're gonna go ahead up here and make it back to Royal Salute.
$10 now, $50 now,
And I'm gonna go ahead and give me something to eat.
$50 now,
And just walk around a little bit, guys.
15,
I hope you guys enjoyed the
20,
video.
5,
Make sure you put plenty of
30,
comments down
30,
below.
you're out.
Also, don't forget to
30,
like, share, and
5,
subscribe to my channel, guys.
40,
Like I said,
5,
I just want to come out today. This is our
55,
first car show.
60,
They're actually doing a nice auction out here
65,
for the kids, and this is a
60,
cruising for
now,
kids
buddy.
event. They always put on a really good event. It's for the kids, guys. You know, some of the kids got cancer. So all the proceeds for this car show go to all the kids and their family, man, to help them out as much as they can. So anyway, guys, thanks for hanging out with us this Saturday morning. I've had a blast. Hope you guys enjoyed all of the cool rocking vehicles, guys. And like I tell everybody, man, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I definitely catch you guys on the next video. Peace.